Hi students, today we are going to talk about simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay? Okay students, you have already learned about simple present tense and present continuous tense. Okay? So, let's start today's topic, simple past tense. Okay. An action or activity completed in the past is called simple past tense. An action or activity completed in the past is called simple past tense. Okay? Okay. We use simple past tense to talk about finished actions, states, or habit in the past. Okay? We use simple past tense to talk about finished actions, states, or habits in the past. Okay? We use simple past tense when we talk about actions that were done in the past or that took place in the past. Okay. So, an action or activity completed in the past is called simple past tense. Okay. We use simple past tense to talk about finished actions, states, or habits in the past. Okay, clear? Okay, students. Next, we are going to learn about the formation rules of simple past tense. Formation rules of simple past tense.
Okay, students. First one, in most cases, ed is added to the verb. Such verbs are called regular verbs. In most cases, ed is added to the verb. Such verbs are called regular verbs. That means the past tense of regular verb is formed by adding ed to the end of the base verb. Okay, the past tense of regular verbs is formed by adding ed, letters ed to the end of the base verb. Okay, look at these examples. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. Here, cleaned is the past form of verb. Okay, clean is the base verb. So, we added ed to the base verb. So, cleaned. Cleaned is the past form of verb. Okay. Next one, I worked hard. I worked hard. Okay. Last one, my mother invited all my friends. My mother invited all my friends. Okay. So, in all these sentences, the verbs are in the past tense. The verbs are in the past tense. So, in order to show that we have already done something, or we add the letters ed to the end of the verb. In order to show that we have already done something, that's why we add the letters ed to the end of the verb. We added the letters ed to the end of the verb. Okay. Another examples. Clean, 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 cleaned, cleaned. Okay. Watch, watched. Ask, asked. Finish, finished. Look, looked. Okay. So, in most cases, ed is added to the verb. Such verbs are called regular verbs. Okay. Okay, students. Next point. Some verbs add letter D to their past tense. So we need to pay extra attention to the verbs that ending in an letter E, such as like, dance, move, wave, bake, etc. Okay. So in these verbs, we added letter D. Okay. So some verbs add letter D to their past tense. Okay. Examples: like, L-I-K-E, like. Okay. Like, liked. So we added letter D. Dance, danced. Move, moved. Bake, baked. Okay. Wave, waved. Clear? So some verbs add letter D to their past tense. Okay, students, moving on to the next point. There are some words that end in a consonant plus Y. Okay, consonant plus Y. That means carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Here R is the consonant plus Y, letter Y. Okay. In such cases, we changed letter Y to I and we added ed. Okay. In such cases, we change Y to letter I and added ed. Example, carry, carried. C-A-R-R-Y, carry, carried. C-A-R-R-I-E-D. Okay. Carry, carried. Fry, fried. Dry, dried. Okay. So, in such cases, letter Y changes into letter I, then add ed. Okay. So, there are some words that end in a consonant plus Y. In such cases, we change Y to I and add ed. Okay. Carry, carried, fry, fried, dry, dried. These are the examples. Okay. Next point. In some verbs, we have to double the consonants and add ed. In such cases, we have to double the consonants and add letters ed. Okay. Look at this example. Commit, commit, committed. C-O-M-M-I-T. So we have to double the consonant and added ed. Okay. Clear? Refer, referred. Okay. Admit, admitted. Clear? So in these cases, we have to double the consonants and added letters ed. Okay. Okay, students. Now we will see the last formation rule in simple past tense. Okay. There are some verbs which form their past tense differently. Such verbs are called irregular verbs. Okay. There are some verbs which form their past tense differently. Such verbs are called irregular verbs. All irregular verbs have a unique simple past form. Okay. All irregular verbs have a unique simple past form. So, there are some verbs which form their past tense differently. Such verbs are called irregular verbs. So, students, please listen very carefully and we need to pay more attention to these verbs. Okay. So, all irregular verbs have a unique simple past form. Okay. Here are the most common ones. Okay. Feel, felt. Make, made. Give, gave. Come, came. Go, went. Stand, stood. Take, took. Do, did. Put, put, cut, cut, write, wrote, sit, sat. Okay, these are the most common word. Okay, these are the most common irregular verbs. Okay, students, look at some more examples. I built that shed last year. Here, build is the irregular verb. B-U-I-L-T. Built is the irregular verb and the base form is built. B-U-I-L-D. Built. Okay. Next one. She taught English in the 1990s. Here, taught is the irregular verb and base form is teach. Teach is the base form. T-E-A-C-H. Okay. Clear? So, all irregular verbs have a unique simple past form. Okay. Next, we will study the positive and negative form in simple past tense. Positive and negative form in simple past tense. Okay. First one, positive form. Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. Here, V2 means past form of verb. Past form of verb. In most verbs, past tense formed by added ed. Added ed. Okay? Clear? So, positive form. Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. Example. Josh prepared snacks. Josh prepared snacks. Here, Josh is the subject, prepare is the verb, and we added ed. So, this is the past form of verb. So, prepared is the V2 form, then snacks is the object. Okay, clear? So, Josh prepared snacks. Next one, that is negative form. Negative form. Subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. Subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. Okay. I didn't see the bus. I didn't see the bus. Here I is the subject. Did plus not is didn't. So I didn't see is the V1 form and bus is the object. So I didn't see the bus. Okay. I didn't see the bus. I didn't make a single mistake in my exam. This is the next example. I didn't make a single mistake in my last exam. So, these are the examples. So, subject plus, did plus, not plus, V1 plus, object. Clear? Okay, students. So, an action or activity completed in the past is called simple past tense. Okay, an action or activity completed in the past is called simple past tense. So, students, please try to understand this concept. Okay, thank you.